Design with speed buttons. This electric milk coffee mixer allows you to choose the different whisking speeds according to your need. Our rechargeable milk coffee blender comes with a stand for easy storage and can be kept on the countertop. You can make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home with your own mini milk frother for your kids or cocktails for your friends. It is easy to use and clean. Great for frothing milk, coffee, protein powders, latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate. Gives that professional finishing touch to your drinks. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Make rich creamy froth in seconds. The Ezco rechargeable milk frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home with your own milk frother. Number 2. With stand for easy storage. Our rechargeable milk coffee blender comes with a stand for easy storage and can be kept on the countertop. Once you've rinsed it, it can dry on its own stand. Number 3. Stainless steel spoon. Suitable for home, party use. Ideal for mixing drinks like tea, coffee, milkshakes, root beer floats, and enjoying sundaes. Sturdy and convenient for use, dishwasher safe. Number 4. Great for coffee lovers' use at home. What an easy way to whip up some foam to top your morning drink. You can whip the cream and milk in seconds, been saving by not going to a coffee shop. Great for blending the collagen in juice or water. Can be perfect to mix the protein into your coffee. Number 5. 3 adjustable speeds option. Design with speed buttons. This electric milk coffee maker allows you to choose the different whisking speeds according to your need. In any gears, you can just long press the on-off switch button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn off the frother. The higher speed you choose, the less time you will spend, and the more exquisite foam you will create. Number 6. Make life more fun. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home with your own handy portable frother. This frother for milk coffee is a great little tool for the morning coffee, which be a good gift for your friends and family, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.